keep watching to see how you can make this easy, silly, educational, and fun game for your children. Stay tuned.
What a wonderful world.
So our inspiration behind this project comes from a cute, clever, inspirational book called ABC I Love Me by Miss Miriam Muhammad. The book is a #1 bestseller on Amazon, and I will put the link in the description box below and more information on how you can connect with Miss Miriam Muhammad. And we love the illustrations. We love this book. I feel like we read it once every week, so you guys should definitely check it out. Before we got started with our activity, I did want to shout out Questions from the Future. You guys are great. Thank you for subscribing and liking and just enjoying all my content. You guys should definitely check them out. They have a page with lots of social awareness topics, and they're kids, and they are future leaders of tomorrow. Alright, so here's the project. What you're going to need is a paper bag, brown paper bag, some glue, some scissors, construction paper, and a Sharpie and a pencil, so that way you can sketch some things out, okay? Make sure you use the paper bag right side up, so we're going to go ahead and design the face with the opening being at the top. Grab your Sharpie and let's go ahead and sketch out the mouth. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and cut out the hair. So hold it up against the paper bag so you can see how wide you want it, and that's about how wide I'm going to do it. And I decided to do an afro on my character. Now you can do afro puffs any style you want. I just decided to go with the inspiration from the book and make my character have an afro. I ended up using 2 pieces, but if you're good, not like me, you could just go ahead and use 1 sheet. I ended up making it too small, so I had to conform and use 2 sheets to make it one big afro. Ta-da! And I glued it together. You'll never know. I decided to use Goggly Eyes because that's the vibe the book was giving me. But if you don't have Goggly Eyes, you can go ahead and use a white and black piece of construction paper and make your own eyes. please keep in mind that you're going to have to make 26 cookies, and I'm showing you a way to make multiple so you don't have to make each individual cookie because that's going to take too long. So make sure you fold the sheet a couple times and then cut your perfect circle. Make sure the circle fits in the mouth because that's going to be heartbreaking if they can't feed it. And then you are ready to go. Now I know you guys are loving this video and all this knowledge I am bringing to you, so go ahead and like this video so I can make more content like this, and go ahead and subscribe and click that notification bell and set it to all so you know every time that I post a video. Keep watching to see how we play this game, and maybe you can think of some other clever ways to play.
A.
Put the A, now feed it to him. Good job. Munch, munch, munch. Ah! Can you find the letter B? Found it. Okay, now put the B. Feed him the B. He's hungry. He wants to eat the B cookie. Good girl. Munch, munch. What letter does your name begin with?
G.
Oh, let me see. Yes, K for Kimberly. That was good.
Much.
All right.
Oh, no.
What letter does rabbit begin with? Rabbit.
With the O.
Rabbit.
O.
Yes, good job. Put it in the bag. All right. I'm so proud of you. One of the really great things I have to tell you guys about this project is when you're done playing, just stick all the cookies in the bag, fold the bag flat, and store the bag. That's it. How cool is that? And then when you're ready to play, you know where everything is and it's all contained. Thank you so much guys for watching this video and sticking it out with me till the end. Don't forget to watch my other videos. Click that card up top so you can see other videos that I've created and activities. And don't forget to tag me on Instagram when your child does this project. Don't forget, check out the book, ABC I Love Me by Miss Miriam Muhammad. It's a good one. You'll love it. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!